Country Planning Act, which are the source of all corruption. These sections 17(2) and 39A must be scrapped. And third, the Land Revenue Code must be amended that agricultural fields can't be sold to non-residents and can only be used for agricultural purposes.
What do you say about this turnout today with one call?
After the TV and media had taken over, we realized we were supposed to meet in a Patrakar's room of 50 people. Then we thought of going to Azad Gopal Hall in Porvorim. And then the feedback that we got was that everybody is talking. So then we decided, and last night we were given to understand that the hall will be overflowing. So luckily the collector's office, the DGP's office cooperated and they allowed us to put up the screen in the... So we are thankful to the police, we are thankful to the collector's office, and what do I say? To you all here and to those thousands, hundreds who have gathered over here.
So how do you see the road ahead?
The road ahead will be, we have to first build up a structure. Without the structure, we can't move. And that will be the first primary task of trying to build up a broad coalition of all activists, all NGOs, and all others who may be activists or not, but who want to join the movement.
So enough is enough. Why?
Enough is enough because how many paddy fields of us are going to be altered? How many orchards are going to be altered? And this conversion is going not for goans. This conversion is going to bring in outsiders for a second home and who are going to displace our villages. That is why we say enough is enough.
Do you think you're going to get any support from the political?
Opposition parties have already, if you have read the papers, I hope that, see, every party there are good people. You can't say everybody is bad. And good people have been reaching out to me. So I only hope that they have the courage to, we are going to give this memorandum to the Chief Minister, to the Governor, send it to the Prime Minister. I wanted to speak to the, ask the Prime Minister to send a committee here to examine this. But I said perhaps this is not the forum and I will be overreaching the issue which I am raising over here. But frankly, the conversions that are happening and crores of rupees are being spent from public kitty to pay the advocates' fees for their illegal acts. I have never heard of it. That you first amend the act to benefit yourself and then use the money of the taxpayer to bring in advocates from outside. About 4 crores must have been spent by now. It's a large amount of money. And they are not, they showed about 2.5 crores. After that, they are not showing the figures also.
Lastly, what's the message to people of Goa? What they going to see in the coming days?
See, we are not going to rush into anything. As I said, until and unless our structure is put into place, it's only after the structure is put into place, we may have some token call, something of the sort, but we think, because see, 5 persons can't run and do things, which has happened today. As of the 5-7 लोग हैं ये अकेला, but it has to require, and how much can we do at this stage, frankly? So we have to have this broad coalition, as I said, youngsters, middle-aged. So we'll form this coalition and we'll ask them to lead. We'll be the advisor. We'll help them. People have heard your voice. Fine, people may have heard my voice, but I have my own. In the sense, I don't have the same stamina which I had 10 years ago. But yet, yes, I will, as long as the spirit is willing and the flesh is willing, I am there.
Is there a name of an organization you thought?
We have not named the organization so far. That we will take.